The latest that we are getting new train services on the Delhi-Howrah track were disrupted after Maoists bombed rail tracks near Gaya. Over a dozen trains are now believed to be stranded on that route. Rail Minister Sadanand Gowda has now sought a report into this alleged Maoist attack.
There was one bomb blast incident in railway track in between Islampur and Rafiganj at about 25 hours in the morning. Fortunately, no casualties, nothing has happened. My officers, while patrolling, they detected these things, and the patrolling vehicle was damaged to a considerable extent, but no casualties. My officers and the state government both have taken much interest in guarding the railway tracks, and safety has been taken as priority. And totally the further accident or further any occurrence of any incident has been saved by my officers. Really, they have done a good job. Now it has come to our knowledge that because of a bomb blast, the incident has occurred. About in 2002 or so, in the same place when Nitish Ji was the railway minister, one accident was occurred and several casualties were there. We are taking much care on this incident, and the pilot train which was derailed the operations are being seriously taken up. By 10:30 everything will be over. 2-3 Rajdhani Express moving from that side has been halted on the other side. It will certainly track will be set right by 10:30 and movements will start. It is quite unfortunate that such an incident has happened, and because of the care taken by my officers, we could able to save the further accidents in that route. We will get in touch with the Chief Minister of Bihar, and we will seek more help in patrolling the railway tracks in that area. Just now I got the preliminary report, and further reports I will get from the officers concerned from that area, from the general manager. Then I will come back to the media.
We had received inputs that there will be a Maoist Bandh today, and because of that we had taken precautionary measures of restricting the speed of trains in Bihar and East Central Railway. And in Mughalsarai division, when a patrol train was asked to go ahead of Rajdhani, which was going to Bhubaneswar, the engine of the patrol train derailed by all wheels because there was a blast on the track which uprooted the rail for about 4 meters length, and both the up and down line, the overhead traction got affected, so the train's operations had to be suspended. There was no casualty of any type, either of the loco pilot or anyone else, but we could save a major calamity by being a very timely action and precautionary measure taken by East Central Railway officers. Since we are aware of this kind of inputs, the speed in that area of that railway has been restricted for 65 kmph. The trains will of course go cautiously, and there is mobilization of men at the major stations, the accident relief trains, the medical vans, the RPF personnel, the track personnel who patrol the track. They are being augmented for today so that they watch what is happening, and we have been able to save this major calamity.
जैसे हम करीब यहाँ आए तो धुआं उठा और ब्लास्ट कर गया। ब्लास्ट किया तो मेरी गाड़ी अंदर गई और निकल गई। अच्छा, निकली तो रोलिंग उतना दूसरी, उधर से गाड़ी आ रही थी, लाइट जल रहा था, उसको रोकने के लिए बहुत हद तक प्रयास किया, उसको गाड़ी को खड़ा करवाया, पहले सर लाइट जला के लाल दिखा करके।
मतलब ब्लास्ट होने के बाद आप क्रॉस किए हैं? हाँ,
ब्लास्ट मेरे सामने जैसे धुआं हुआ तुरंत ब्लास्ट हो गया।
अच्छा,
उसके बाद गाड़ी घुसी निकल गई, यहीं से ट्रैक पर से गाड़ी गिरता हुआ।
अच्छा, कितने स्पीड में जा रहे हैं?
उसका 65 का स्पीड था।
ट्रेन में ब्लास्ट हुई, उसके बाद ड्राइवर ने देखा कि मैं पिछले इंजन से पिछले बॉगी में था, तो स्क्रैपिंग हुआ। तो उसके बाद ड्राइवर को इन्होंने जो पीछे इंजन खड़ी है उसने रेड बत्ती दी तो इंजन फिर खड़ी हो गई। उसके बाद से फिर रेगुलर हम लोग यहाँ पर खड़े हैं। यहाँ पर ड्राइवर ने ही समझिए कि इस बॉगी के मैंने इस गाड़ी के आदमी को जान बचाई, जो पायलट इंजन के ड्राइवर थे।
आप लोग को पता था कि आज नक्सली?
हाँ, नक्सली प्रभाव थे, जिस कारण हम लोगों ने देखा भी मुगल शहर से जब ट्रेन चली तो 65 की स्पीड से ओवर नहीं चल रही थी, वो धीरे धीरे चली थी। अब तक मिनट 4 घंटा यहाँ तक आने में समय ले चुकी थी गाड़ी।
मैं करीबन 1 घंटे से वेट कर रहा हूँ अपनी राजधानी भुवनेश्वर की, दिल्ली भुवनेश्वर की। हमें मालूम चला आगे रूट गया में कुछ एक्सीडेंट हो गया ट्रेन की, उसके कारण काफ़ी तकलीफ हो रही है मुझे। 9 महीने का बच्चा है, मैं 1 महीने से 1 घंटे से करके वेट कर रहा हूँ फैमिली के साथ, और कुछ सुविधा भी नहीं इधर। आप देखेंगे सारे अंदर, आप जितना भी देखिए वेटिंग रूम सभी जगह बुरी हालत है, तो कुछ भी हालत नहीं बैठने की। अगर आप पीछे देखिए यहाँ बैठने की हालत नहीं है, कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आ रही है, कुछ भी नहीं। काफ़ी परेशान है हम सभी लोग, काफ़ी हमारे साथ काफ़ी हमारे आदमी जो हमारे साथ परेशान हो रहे हैं।